Today we will show you the best street in Nice. I'm Leo, I'm a tour guide. Maria, she's an artist. This is our turf. And today, yes, we'll show you the best street in Nice. Whatever you like, art, food, history, museum, follow us. Behind us, you can go to the port, to the Castle Hill, but we go in the old town. Today, like every day, it's the market here. But we won't go to the market. The Course Aléa is very famous, very nice, but we will show you something special. So, we go this way, but we make a little detour, Maria, because we will show you the cutest street in Nice. Just round the corner, we have a very nice surprise for you guys. Look at this. Very quiet street. Here there was a lot of fishermen before. And here, do you know what this was, Maria?
No.
No idea?
No idea.
This was the wash house. Ladies came here to wash the clothes before. The gossip girls, les bugadières.
Washing machine.
Yes, the old washing machine. Now girls don't gossip anymore. And we arrive.
Yes. Okay.
Rue Droite. This, guys, is the best street in Nice.
Why?
Because you have everything you need. Food, drinks, art,
And how can
history.
you translate Rue Droite?
Rue Droite, the straight street. Because as you see, it's almost straight from the sea to the old city gate. It was one of the only streets where the chariot could pass before. It was very important for the local trade. Here we have a great restaurant, Acciardo. Very nice for Nice food. And here, very long stairs to the Castle Hill. You have to go to the Castle Hill, of course. That's one of the things to do here. And here is the cutest church in the old town, from the 17th century. They often play music here, Maria. Maybe you should go see some concerts, maybe.
Today it's impossible because they closed.
And here, of course, you know the place, you know La Soca, chez Teresa, we saw it already. It's always very crowded here, and you can find the best soca, oven-made chickpea crepe. Here, we can go to the Place Rossetti, or we can climb to the Castle Hill. But we continue on Rue Droite. As you said, it's the morning, but it's already very crowded. And here is a great monument, the Palais Lascaris. You know it, Maria? It's very beautiful there. It was the house of the most important noble family in Nice before, the Lascaris. Now it's a museum you can visit if you like history of art. It's very interesting because we don't have a lot of civilian baroque, mostly church or religious buildings. Here you can see some nice old furniture.
Moi je pense que c'est trop petit pour moi.
C'est trop petit pour toi?
Oui.
But you're not allowed to sing, Maria. always very crowded here. Here you can see a cannonball. Cannonball from a battle in 1543, when Nice was besieged by the French and the Turks. Most famous battle in Nice history. And what happened here, Maria?
It's like a little bit of information about our gallery, which you can find in Rue de la Boucherie here in Nice. And there are a lot of
Yes.
beautiful pictures.
I see you made some little propaganda with Alex here.
But we do it really, yeah.
Mhm.
Propaganda is a very good solution for art and for singers. Yeah, it's important.
You should visit. Here you have some amazing restaurants, like Chez Palmyre. They change the menu every week. Here we arrive in a good area for grocery. Here we have the big butchery of the old town and the fish market, of course. La place Saint-François. Here, of course, we have a great place for ice cream, chez Néron. So we continue on Rue Pairolière. And here we could continue and have a local delicacy, le barbecue one. Maria tried already. But we will take a little step this way so we can see Nice's most famous plant. See, we arrive here and we have this beautiful plant here, La Treille, old climbing vine, very nice. This place is also a great wine bar in the evening. You can come here, they only have natural wine. Wine without sulfite, so no headache. The food is nice too. And it's a great place to have a nap also. And here you have the shortcut to the port. Very convenient. If you stay in Nice, you can avoid a long detour. And here we will see maybe the best view in Nice, better than the waterfall on the Castle Hill. Famous restaurant, l'Escalinata, means the stairs in Nice dialect. And here you can see a big tower. This tower, Maria, it was the highest building in Nice before. Here we can come. It's still closed, it's open in summer, but you go there, you buy your ticket, and then you can go through this little gate here. You climb the stairs, long spiral stairs, you arrive at the top, there is a big bell and the best view in Nice. Yes, it is very nice. So that's it. If you want to see the best street in Nice, you know where to go. Rue Droite, Rue Pairolière, a short walk, just 5-10 minutes, and you decide what you want to see. Bye bye.